Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 15 of Surah Muzamil. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إنا أرسلنا إليكم رسولا شاهدا رسولا شاهدا عليكم كما أرسلنا كما أرسلنا إلى فرعون رسولا. Hamza is a very sharp sound, and for Kasra give E sound, E, and attach with Noon, and Noon will get sifa of Gunna. And Gunna is to keep sound in your nose, and here you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer period of time because this is Akmal Gunna. In, and this will be 4 counts long because this is Mad Munfasil Jaiz. Inna Aru. Hamza is sharp. For fatha, open jaws. Attached with ra. Ra will get sifa of tawassut, and it is heavy because before sakin ra, if you find fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. So here there is fatha, so you are keeping the sound of ra heavy. Aru. Aru. Sel. Seen is light. For fatha, open your jaws and attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Sel. Na. 4 counts long because this is Mad Munfasil Jaiz. E. Hamza is sharp. For Kasra give E sound. The sound is very short. E. Lay. This is lean. It will take 2 counts long time. And you have to give a very nice fatha. La. La. Open your jaws very well and attach with ya with softness because lean is soft. Lay. Ilaykum. For the circle using attached with meme, and we will get sifa of the wasat. Kum. For fatha, open your jaw. Su. 2 counts long. Ra is heavy because whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. Ra. The heavy ra sounds like a ra. Say the same sound. Ra. Ra. Su. For su is 2 counts long, and circle your lips. La. This is ikhfa. You are hiding the sound of the meen, going towards the makhraj of sheen and keeping the sound in your nose. Rasula. Sha. Sha is 2 counts long. He. For kasra give E sound. Then this is izhar, and izhar always takes the sifa of tawassut. So you are giving this tawassut over here, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Shahidan. Ain from your throat. Lay. This is 2 counts long because this is harf leen, and harf leen has to be said very, very softly. For fatha, open your jaws. Give a nice time on fatha, attach with ya with softness. Lay. Lay. Kum. For the circle your lips, attach with meme. Meme will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound because len amar are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon and meme is one of them, will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Kum. Ka is short. Ma. This is mad munfasil jaiz, so you are keeping it 4 counts long. Kama. Hamza is sharp. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound should be short and attached with ra. Ra will get sifa of tawassut, and it is heavy because whenever ra is with sukoon and it has fatha before it, it is always heavy. Aru. This sound is tawassut, and lifting your last part of your tongue towards your palate is making raw heavy, and this should be there. Sell. So give the wasat on lam because lam it with sukoon. Whenever lin umar and lam is one of them, lin umar that is whenever these are with sukoon will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. This l sound is tawassut. arsalna, 4 counts long, because this is mad munfasil. Ja is na. E, Hamza is sharp, short, and for kasra give E sound. E, la. La is 2 counts long, and it is light. Fir, for kasra give E sound. It is being attached with the letter coming up, so be very careful with your kasra. It should be very clear. Fee. It's G, B, T, fee. So fee. So fee should stay fee even if it is attached with raw. Fee, 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 and raw will get sifa of tawassut, and it is light because before second raw there is kasra. Whenever raw is with sukoon and it is kasra before it, raw will be light. Feel ow, I'm from your throat, and this is lean, so it will be 2 counts long. Fatha, give very open your jaws very well, attach with wow with softness, because lean is always soft. Ow, ow, feel ow, na is short, ro is short, and it is heavy. Whenever raw is with fatha, it is always heavy. Raw, and heavy raw sounds like a raw. Say this word, a raw. Su, su is 2 counts long, and there is mud. You are exchanging the sound of the meaning into mud letters, so it will be 2 counts long, and this is what called mud. Rasula. Fa is short. Ain from your throat. Fa will get sifa of hums, and an should be from your throat. Fa. Sa is 2 counts long, and it is heavy. It should be heavy. Fa, sa, fir, aw, nur. For Dhamma, circle your lips, attach with a raw, and raw will get sifat tawasut. Nur, raw. For Fatha, open your jaws, and raw is the sound is short, but raw is heavy. Nur, raw. Su is 2 counts long. Make sure you circle your lips. La, short. Rasula. Fa from your throat. Fa should have hums, the flow of breath. Fa, a hamza should be from your throat, and for fatha, open your jaws. Fa, khad. Kha is heavy, and for fatha, open your jaws, attach with dal, and da will get sifa of rakhawa. Khad. Kha should be heavy, but not dal. Dal should stay light. Khad. Fa, khad. This sound should be there to create a rakhawa. Na is 2 counts long. Who is short. And make sure you circle your lips. فَأَخَذْنَاهُ. Hamza is sharp. It should be from last part of your throat. For fatha, open your jaws and attach with kha. Kha will get sifa of rakhawa, and kha is heavy. Down. This is idgham with gunna. You are merging the sound of tanween into waw and keeping sound in your nose. This is what idgham is. Down. For waw, circle your lips, and for fatha, open your jaws. Wa, B is 2 counts long. Wa, bila. We are applying mad awad. We are extending the sound of tanween into mad. So this is called mad awad. You are exchanging something. That's why it is called mad awad. فعصى فرعون الرسول فأخذناه أخذا وبيلا. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.